Yeah, we're excited, a little bit of apprehensive, but I think that's just natural because it's the first game. But we're all raring to go really, and I think we're in a good position. From what we've seen, they're going to be drilled defensively, well organised, a typical European team, I think, strong, physical, but I think we got most of the attributes to be able to break them down, and if we can go into the game prepared and 100% focused, I think we'll do the job. We're all mates, most of us have been together for a number of years now, so we know what to expect as new ones, but again we've had a year and a bit to prepare for this, and that's what Jane's done. She's got loads of camps together, and yeah, it's just like a group of mates on tour, willing to do everything you can for the person next to you and for the whole squad really, and I think that's what we've got, and I think I don't know if that's the Welsh in us or just us as people, is to be determined to do everything we can to get the win and to do everything we can for our nation really. Obviously this one is the first one, hoping to get 3 points, hopefully get a few goals, but if we can start this one well, get the win, Norway will be a great experience for everyone, not just the the experienced players, the old ones, but for the new ones, and we want to emulate them, and they've played in big European Championships, World Cups, and if we can get to that level this time next year, then that'll be a great achievement for all of us.
How are you settling in Man City? You've been there a few months now. How's it going?
Yeah, it's good. I picked up like a bad injury last month or 2 months ago. I missed 8 weeks, but I've been training second week of injury, so I've been all good and played 2 games, scored 1, so it's not too bad, my record so far. But no, it's great. I love it there. Our chairman's a Welsh guy, Mark Allen. We got a little bromance going on, so yeah, no, it's great. I love it there, and hopefully I can stay there for the rest of my career, hopefully.